Well, everybody, it was bound to happen. I'll start off by saying my favorite saying. What we have here is a downed cat. Yep. And not a fucking word of a lie, it's a broken fucking drive shaft. I don't know what to fucking do. I went out today by myself to enjoy the nice last ride of this fucking season, and fucking here we go, another fucking downed cat. It's fucking bullshit. Listen to this. I'll show you what's fucking wrong with it. You start the fucking sled up. It runs fucking great. But listen to the fucking noise that comes out when you try to drive her. Yeah, exactly. Born fucking loser. Out here by myself, no fucking cell service. All my buddies, they gone home. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do out here. I saw a fucking raccoon back there. Maybe I should go back there and fucking stick them. Have something to fucking eat. The cottage, fucking, it's up there, maybe fucking 20K. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Born fucking loser. Another fucking down cat. Unfucking believable. Listen to that again. I'll show you how fucking stuck I am. It's fucking bullshit. You try to give her fucking gas, and she just makes noise. Yep, not going anywhere. Broken fucking drive shaft. Bullshit. I hope you all fucking found this entertaining.